Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity documents without citation links. This is incredibly useful when you want clean, readable content without those distracting reference numbers interrupting the flow of your text. Let's dive right in and get this sorted. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your details to access your account and get started with the platform. After logging in, you'll see the main chat input box right in the center of your screen. This is where you'll type your question or query. Now here's the crucial part that makes all the difference. Before you hit enter or click the submit button, make sure to include the phrase, "Please omit citation numbers," somewhere in your question. This tells Perplexity to generate a response without those numbered citation links, giving you cleaner text right from the start. Once you've submitted your question with that instruction, Perplexity will process your request and generate a response. Give it a moment to complete the task. When your answer appears, look up to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find 3 dotted lines. Click on that icon, and from the menu that appears, select Export as PDF. This action converts your conversation into a downloadable PDF file. The file will begin downloading automatically. Navigate to your browser's download section in the upper right and locate the file once it's finished downloading. Click to open it and review the content. You should notice that the citation numbers are absent, making the document much cleaner and easier to read. Now, if you want an even clearer version or prefer working with editable text, simply highlight all the text in the PDF and copy it. Then open Microsoft Word or Notepad on your computer and paste the copied text into a new document. This gives you full control over formatting and editing. If you'd like to save this document for future reference, click on File in the upper left corner of Word or Notepad, then select Save As from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to choose a folder location where you want to store the file. Navigate to your preferred folder and select it. Before saving, you can rename the file to something more descriptive if needed. This helps with organization and makes it easier to locate later. If you specifically want to save the document as a PDF, look for the option labeled Save as Type. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select PDF from the available options. This converts your Word or text document into a PDF format. Finally, click the Save button to complete the process. Your clean, citation-free Perplexity document is now saved exactly where you want it in the format you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.